If you must finish food, anybody will know they come out from the film, from the scene. We write it. If you must finish food, anybody will know they come out from the film, from the scene.
What? Wetin dey happen for here? Lizzy Gold, wetin dey happen? Why you go allow crew member wash your feet for inside set? And this one no be say na film una dey shoot. This one na reality. Netizen drags Lizzy Gold. My people no be small thing. Things wey we don dey hear for this Nollywood don make everybody eye come dey open say wetin Lizzy Gold dey do this girl no good. If una see a lot of trolls wey dey give this Lizzy Gold, you go pity her. You understand? Ever since Junior Pope kpai, na so everybody's eye come open. They no wan hear say this one happen or that one happen. As I see the video, I say, maybe wetin everybody dey talk na true, because I no understand why a grown-up woman will stand and another person will be washing your feet. Cause make I no talk sha. My people, write your opinion for comment section, cause me, my mouth is filled up. I no even sabi wetin I go talk again. This one pass my mouth. See you guys on my next episode. Stay safe out there. See your one and only amiable girl Cindy. Ngwanu. Bye.